Welcome to my channel. I am so excited that you're here. Today we're going to be touring phenomenal high-rises, checking out different apartment tours and what I like to call a penthouse in San Diego, California. Hope you enjoy! Hello friends, thank you for joining my channel today. I just want to show you exactly where I stayed at in San Diego, California. One of the high-rises called ALX. And you will know a little bit more about it as you continue to watch the video. I absolutely loved the view when I stayed here. So this is the first apartment number 1, ALX Apartments. I wanted to check out the different kinds of units inside of the actual apartment complex. So this one here is just a 1-bedroom. I really love all the different decorations, the furniture, the bookshelf, as I'm talking about it here.
My boyfriend would love.
He is a bookshelf guy, big time.
I wish I was a bookshelf gal. That would mean I'd have to read though. I do enjoy reading. I can't find the time anymore, unfortunately.
I know what you mean. So audiobooks, right? I love it. Really what I love about this apartment complexes is the floor to ceiling windows. I absolutely, if you know anything about me, I love floor to ceiling windows. I'm a little bit bougie in that way. And now we're at the amenities. I really loved all the landscape, how they did all the decorations involved. They have literally everywhere where you can work if you work from your laptop or from home remotely. You can sit outside. The weather, oh my god, it's to die for. The weather in San Diego, California. If you haven't been, please check it out. And my favorite part of this trip, you guys, was the sunrise. Out of all things, right? I really loved the rooftop. Literally, I woke up at 6 a.m. so that I can definitely check out the sunrise. And then during the day, we went to, me and Bebe, which is my little puppy, we went to the parks there. I absolutely loved it. Everybody was so friendly. And now, obviously, my other favorite part of the vacation, I would say, mini vacation, was when I checked out what I like to call the penthouse. And really, I don't really think it's a penthouse. It's just a 2-bedroom apartment, but it's just so glamorous and beautiful that I decided to call it a penthouse. So, and now look at this. Like, seriously, can you imagine for a moment waking up to this? It brings you to tears, to be quite honest with you. Check out this view. What? Who does this? It is so beautiful. If you knew where I came from, this just wasn't brought up with a rich family, so I take a little bit serious when I look at beautiful views from apartment complexes, just because I didn't really have that growing up, and I just really admire just the lifestyle, really. Oh, and there I am again. Hey. Next to the toilet. And then here we go, the little hallway. Oh my god, there's windows everywhere. So like I said before in this video, I just love windows. Like, I love natural lighting, especially running a YouTube channel. If you understand, we just can't get enough of the natural lighting. I absolutely loved it because it's probably one of the tallest high-rises probably in downtown San Diego. And as you can see, you can take a look at the beautiful view of the Petco Park right in front of it, which is really cool. You literally can see everything up here, like the whole downtown San Diego. And then there's a car that I rented. I want to show you guys what I posted on social media like Instagram. That's the gym that I forgot to show you in the beginning of this video of the apartment complex. And then there I am again. So let me give you a quick peek of the unit I stayed in for an entire week. And it was in the ALX apartments. I absolutely loved it here, and the views were breathtaking. Another just a beautiful memory to have, another beautiful just thing to soak in. I just love it. And then there's my little baby. My little desk I love has to like make sense to me so I can work really well, that I am, yep, posing, yep. And then if you know anything about me, sometimes I do enjoy cooking because it's healthier, it's more affordable, and a lot better. So I just got back from seeing Park 12, the 2-bedroom apartment. I literally just pictured myself living in there. I know some point in my life I'm going to be living in a penthouse like that or just something similar, and it just feels incredible to be able to experience that. And if you're ever in San Diego area, Park 12 is the building that you must explore. And they have self-guided tours now. So you're able to go in alone and check it out for yourself, and there's directions on where you need to go because it's a really, really big building. It's tall, so you may get lost, but they provide all the directions for you. It was like a scavenger hunt in a way to be able to find the best unit in my perspective. I mean, I haven't seen all of them, but from what I've seen, for sure, that unit was incredible. And yeah, I really appreciate you even taking the time to watch. You know, San Diego, what I love about San Diego, it's the weather, the people are so nice, the food, you know, just the water, the city itself. Sometimes it makes me feel like I'm in Miami in a way, like in Brickell area. So especially at night when I get to see outside of my apartment, I feel like I'm definitely in Miami, downtown Miami. I hope you also like the apartment complex that I'm staying in. I absolutely love this place. I think it's a great stepping stone to get to that higher unit. But yeah, I mean, if you have dreams, you have visions, just work towards it. I know a lot of times it does take time. I'm an impatient person. So if you can relate with me, I know how you feel. I know the struggle to like, okay, let's get things going faster, right? But it takes time. Something worthwhile, something that you're building, takes time. And I mean, I had to learn that the hard way, to be quite honest with you. Again, thank you so much for watching this whole video. I so appreciate you. If you liked it, subscribe to my channel. And if you want to share this with people that want to know more about San Diego and would find this video very helpful for them, make sure you share it with them, and also like this video. And please, 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 I would love to interact with you in the comments below. So if there's any part of this video that you really enjoyed and you want to comment down and let me know what part of the unit you love the most, you know, if you like the 2-bedroom better than this one, I'm just totally kidding. Just let me know, what did you like the most from this video by commenting down below. Thank you so much again. I totally believe in you. If no one has told you that today, you are capable of anything. Sometimes you just have to be crazy in life in a good way. And just remember that things that are worthwhile takes time. I love you, and I'm seeing you at the next video. Have a great day. Woo!